Is network marketing a pyramid thing? The answer in short is yes. Of course it is. Let's think about it. The person at the top makes all the money. I get it. You've heard it from your prospects. You may be watching this thinking it because maybe you've searched on YouTube or Google, is network marketing a pyramid thing? Or what is a pyramid thing? And it absolutely is. The person at the top makes all the money. Why? Because in network marketing, when you join your business, you are the top of your own organization. In the military, there is a person at the top. In the church, there is a person at the top. In the school system, there is a person at the top. Apple, Microsoft, Google, there are people at the top. Let me ask you this. If you go onto the Forbes rich list and you look at the 100 richest people in the world, the person who is named there, are they the top of the organization or the bottom? They're at the top. However, all their companies and all the businesses that they have, do they offer a benefit to the end user? The answer is yes. And here's the thing, guys. Every business is a pyramid thing. It has a pyramid hierarchy, but what they aren't are pyramid schemes. So the real question is network marketing a pyramid scheme? And the answer is no. However, there are certain companies who disguise themselves as network marketing companies. And when they say, oh, it's a pyramid scheme, they say, no, we're network marketing. We're a legitimate industry. Network marketing is a legitimate industry. It's been around for decades and decades and decades. It does nearly $200 billion in sales, which is more than the movie industry, the music industry, the NFL combined. It pays out hundreds of millions of dollars every single day to people like you and I. And here's what I really need you to understand. It gives you the opportunity for people to win. But there are some red flags. And let me just share with you what those red flags are. Number one, if the end user does not have a benefit, then probably it's a pyramid thing or a pyramid scheme. And second of all, if you would not promote the thing you're getting paid for, if you weren't getting paid to do it, then it's also probably a pyramid scheme. So when you're looking at a company to join, or when you're involved in a company and you're trying to get that belief and realization of, is it a pyramid thing or not? It is a pyramid thing, but it's only a pyramid. Like, think about the product that you're going to be selling. Does the end user get a benefit? If the answer is yes, amazing. Would you promote that product if you weren't getting paid because you know it's bringing value to other people? If the answer is yes, then great. Then you know it's not a pyramid scheme. Okay? If there is a service that you would pay for, is there a service that you would pay for education? Is there a service that you would pay for to get discounts? Then it's most likely not a pyramid scheme. Now, I like to use the analogy of a Christmas tree. When you look at a Christmas tree side on, it looks like a pyramid scheme or a pyramid thing, a hierarchy, one of these pyramids. And at the top, there is one star or one angel. There's not four, there's not five, there is one. And then underneath it, there is a certain number of decorations. And then the lower you go, there are more and more decorations. And dotted around the trees, there are nice decorations, your favorite ones. Those are the leaders within an organization. Because it's not all the people at the top who make all the money, it's the people at the top of their own organization make the most money in that organization. And at the bottom of the Christmas tree, guess what? Are the presents, are the gifts. And that represents the product. So next time you think about it, is it a pyramid thing? I want you to think, yes, it's a pyramid thing, but it's not a pyramid scheme. So when someone comes to you, if you're in the network marketing profession and says, hey, it's a pyramid thing, it's a pyramid scheme, you're going to say, yeah, it's a pyramid thing, just like your job. Just like your job. And in your job, do you have a boss? Yes. And does your boss have a boss? Yes. And does your boss's boss have a boss? Yes. And in that job, does your boss make more than you? Yes. And does your boss's boss make more than your boss? Yes. And does your boss's boss's boss make more money than both your bosses? Yes. So then would you agree that the person at the top makes all the money? Yes. So then your job is a pyramid thing. Network marketing is a pyramid thing. The church is a pyramid thing. Apple is a pyramid thing. It's just not a pyramid scheme. And here is what I would also say. Whenever someone says, oh, it's a pyramid thing, or isn't this a pyramid thing, have the mindset of, I'm probably going to be moving on to the next person, and I don't want to convince anyone. But what you are going to do is persuade someone to be educated on the topic. Now, the word persuade, some people think persuade is like a bad word. It's like, persuading is like a dangerous thing to do or a bad thing to do. Persuade is simply two words, persuadere in Latin. Persuadere, right? So persuade means to complete or to advise through to completion. And when you persuade someone to be educated on what a pyramid thing or pyramid selling or pyramid schemes are, they sometimes go, oh, you know what? I'm going to actually see if this is a legit thing. If they're not open to it, it's because they made a decision, they're super stubborn, and they blame everything else apart from themselves as to the reason why they're not going to move forward with something. And guys, people play the blame game. The blame game is the biggest game all of us play. And to me, blame means blah, me. Blah, 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 me. Blah, 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 me. Ah, blah, 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 it's a pyramid thing. It's really me who's scared to make the leap. Oh, blah, 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 it didn't work. Well, it was really me who didn't work at it. So I hope this video brings some value to you of understanding that network marketing and a pyramid scheme is completely different. Network marketing is a pyramid thing. It's definitely not a pyramid scheme, but there are companies out there who describe themselves of what you think would be a network marketing company, but they're not. And if you ever need me to tell you if you believe a company is a pyramid scheme or not, it's going to be very difficult for me to tell you that because there are so many companies out there. So the default is if the company provides the end user a benefit, then it's most likely not a pyramid scheme. And I know some of you might be thinking, but the price of the product is so expensive, like that. So they're using the money to pay. The reason what you've got to ask yourself with that is compared to what? What is that product expensive to compared to? The supermarket equivalent? Of course it is. Why? You go to Walmart, you go to Tesco, you go to any supermarket and you buy a protein shake, for example. They tell you, they say, hey, that's going to be $49.95, please. And you give them your credit card, you give your PIN code and they say, have a great day as you walk out. And that's it. Nothing else happens. And maybe that product just gets left in the shelf help. It doesn't like give any benefit to your life. However, in network marketing, because people are compensated to gain a customer and keep a customer, guess what? They give you additional help, additional guidance, community, accountability, mentorship, and. So what is it expensive to, really? Not very much. All right? So if you got value from this, do me a favor. Let's help spread awareness that network marketing is a legitimate business and not a pyramid scheme, although it is a pyramid thing, by smashing the thumbs up, giving us a subscribe, and then let me know down below, is your company a pyramid thing? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.